Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to STEAM Education. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good, you all are doing well, and you all are in the good health. So today we are going to learn about the new number. So let's start our number adventure. So my lovely students, आप मुझे ये बताइए कि हमारे फेस पे, हमारे बॉडी पार्ट्स पे हमारी जो आंखें हैं वो कितनी हैं? Very good. 2. हमारे जो ears हैं यानी कि कान वो कितने हैं? 2. How many hands we have? 2. Very good. You all are very good students. So आज का हमारा नंबर भी है नंबर 2. आज हम पढ़ेंगे नंबर 2 के बारे में. तो अब चलिए चलते हैं आपकी बुक की तरफ. This is how number 2 looks like. Wow, Hadi. The boy name is Hadi. Hadi has 2 beautiful cars. Hadi के पास 2 beautiful cars हैं. And can you tell me what is the color of the cars? The color of the car is, the big car is red color and the small car is pink color. Actions for the teachers. Dear teachers, बच्चों को एक्टिविटीज में एंगेज रखना है. हमने लर्निंग को फन बनाना है कि बच्चे एंजॉय करते करते चीजों को सीखें. And the STEAM activities are the best way to engage the students. So for the science portion, give them a task to identify the body part that are 2 in numbers. For our technology part, use our video link and enjoy the story of number 2. For engineering part, provide them a Play-Doh and ask them to make a number 2. For arts portion, cut the number 2 on chart paper and ask them to do a thumb painting. And for the math portion, ask them to count their ears. Move on to the next page. Now the formation of number 2. For number 2, go right around, then make a line across the ground. This is how we write the number 2. So now students, you have to trace this number 2 with your finger. The next exercise is trace the number 2 with a crayon. Now you have to trace this 2 line with the crayon. Next page is trace and write the number 2 using a pencil. अब आपने इस पेज को trace करना है with the pencil. Next page is hands on. Tick the bubbles with number 2. अब आपके सामने different bubbles हैं जिनमें number 1 और number 2 लिखा हुआ है. अब जिसने bubble पे number 2 लिखा हुआ है, please mark a tick on that. The next is color the same things to make the set of 2. आपके सामने different fruits बने हुए हैं. जो fruits same दिखते हैं आपने उन पे color करना है. Students, I hope अब आपको नंबर 2 की रिकग्निशन हो चुकी होगी. आपको उसकी फॉर्मेशन का भी पता लग गया होगा. अब आप ऑब्जेक्ट्स भी काउंट कर सकते हैं जो 2 हों. अपना बहुत ज़्यादा ख्याल रखिएगा. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. अल्लाह हाफिज़.